If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, today we are talking about other light modifiers. This one specifically is the softbox. So I'm going to show you on this JCL brand light, the E360, how to assemble your softbox and how to attach it to your light. Now I'm going to place this here behind me on my stand so that we don't have any issue, and also explain a little bit about that setup and how you can set up your light and attach it to your stand. The adjustment here is a set screw, so that on the top of your stand, where that nickel plated or chrome colored attachment is designed with a larger area at the bottom and a larger area at the top, so that as your set screw attaches here in the middle, it will not come off of your stand. It is designed to pinch that area and your set screw so that your set screw in friction tensions down on the center part of that and tip here. Don't try and tighten around your adjustment screw there. As the friction is created by your set screw here on your light, you have that friction between the widening and the widening of the top and the bottom on that set area there. Now we have our light attached to our stand, and now it's stable because of the tripod foot system at the base. Just don't kick it, because there can be a force exerted on it which will overextend that stability. Now, as I do grab things off camera view, this is your attachment that your softbox will attach to. It has the adapting back here to attach to the JTL mount up here, and you might notice there are holes all the way around this ring, and that is to receive the softbox. I'm going to call them legs for lack of a better word, but they are the support bands and metal. You might think of them a little bit like tent pegs. Well, not tent pegs, but the supports that cause your tent to have form and to take shape. So you're going to want to make sure that the attachment into the light is on the outside of your umbrella, rather than placing it like this so it goes inside. Your light can't attach that way. So make sure it's out like this. Place your first light box pole. Open up your Velcro there. Place it into one of the holes. And then once that is set, you're going to want to take the opposite pole and place it into the opposite hole of what you just placed the other pole into. It's going to be a little bit hard because it's designed to have the friction and the opposite force exerting on these poles to cause it to go out and to hold your softbox open. Now, for the same purpose, you're going to have to place this in the equidistant hole from each of these outside. And this is a square softbox. So it's easy because everything is basically at a 90 from the opposite. So this is a 180 directly across your modifier. This is at a 90 because you're going with the other corner. And you're going to want to place it in that hole, pushing out away from the ring. Make sure that it gets all the way in to snap. Otherwise, you're not going to have enough room, and it's going to be hard enough without making sure that's fully seated to get this in, and you just don't want to have that issue. Now, you're going to take notice here. The ends of my softbox poles have come out the end. That's not a big deal. It has not broken my softbox. It has just pushed its way through because they aren't seated into the pockets here on the inside of the softbox material. We'll get that fixed here in a minute. But at this point, it just makes the assembly a little bit easier. Once you get that top of the pole placed, you're going to want to push it down together so that that fully seats as well. Once you get the softbox material opened up, placed around the ring. Then it's just a matter of pulling the strobe, or excuse me, the softbox back out. You can take the Velcro off of the center and place it back in that pocket. Some people don't like doing this because it's hard to place the Velcro back on the edge. I have found basically there's nothing really convenient about doing it either one way or another, because it makes it harder to put the poles back into the umbrella, or excuse me, the softbox, or it makes it hard to get the legs into these pockets for your softbox. Either way, it's a struggle. And I just encourage you, embrace the struggle, because once you get it done, either way, you're gonna have the satisfaction of, I got my softbox together and complete. Now our final step. We put our light in a place where our softbox is not obstructed. We remove the bulb protector and the strobe protector for the strobe light itself. Now we can take, and these handy little holes here in the side of our softbox are nice to be able to grab a hold of the ring inside so that we're sure it attaches to our strobe. And as I turn it around here, I want you to see how these little knobs or edges fit into the light mount. And as they fit, it should slide in, and then those ears will twist so that they seat. When those ears are seated into these mounts up here, then you can screw that down. There's a set screw underneath here. Screw the set screw down so that modifier light ring does not twist or move and allow the softbox to fall off and potentially damage your strobe or the modeling light. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a comment down below of what you would like to know more about with some questions, or what you found interesting and helpful. Give us a thumbs up so that other people can see the video as well. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Just click that subscribe button and join our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.